The dissociation is Zr₃, PO₄, 4 right-left terpenes 3 Zr to the power 4 plus 4 PO₄ to the power 3. If the solubility is S, then Zr to the power 4 plus equals 3S and PO₄ to the power 3 equals 4S. The solubility product is Ksp equals Zr to the power 4 plus to the power 3 PO₄ to the power 3 to the power 4 equals 3S to the power 3, 4S to the power 4 equals 27S to the power 3 times to 56S to the power 4 equals 6912S to the power 7. Rearranging for solubility gives S to the power 7 equals Ksp divided by 6912, which evaluates to S equals Ksp divided by 6912 to the power 1 divided by 7. The answer is B.